Hi friends. Today we'll see one very important German Goethe B1 exam pattern. So in the earlier videos we have seen A1 as well as A2 exam pattern. In today's video we are going to see B1 exam pattern. So we'll start with the video. Now I'll share one screen with you. So you will be able to know how this German B1 exam you can say looks like, right? Now, the exam is of 100 points or marks. One has to score at least 60 marks to clear the exam, to pass this exam. So you have to get 60% marks to clear the exam. Now, this exam is divided into four modules, right? Hören is listening, lesen, it is reading, schreiben is writing, and sprechen is speaking. Now, one by one, we'll see how these modules are divided and how the tasks are there. So, tasks meaning the questions. So, Heron is listening. The duration for this particular module is 40 minutes. There are four parts, or it is called as Teile also in German. If there is one part, then it is Teil. Multiple parts, it is Teile. Now, Tile 1, there are five short texts played twice. Okay, so you will be allowed to listen to it twice, and there will be two tasks. In Tile 2, you will hear text, but that is only once. Okay, and there will be five tasks. In Tile 3, you hear a conversation once, just once it will be played, and there will be seven tasks. In Tile 4, you hear a discussion twice. It will be played twice, just like the first one. Eight tasks will be there. Match the statements. Okay, you will have to match the statements. Who says what? Now comes a lesson module. Lesson is reading. For this particular module, the duration is 65 minutes. There are five tiles. Tile 1 is 10 minutes. Here you read a blog and true or false will be there. Six tasks will be there. You will have to choose true, that is richtig, oder falsch. False, incorrect. Correct or incorrect. Right? Now, in tile 2, that is 20 minutes, duration is 20 minutes. There will be two texts. In first text, you have to read the text from the press and complete tasks 7 to 9, and there will be MCQ. In text 2 also, read the text from the press and complete the task. Okay, there will be MCQ. Tile 3, the duration is 10 minutes. Read situations 13 to 19. And there will be advertisements A to J from various German language media. So you have to choose which ad matches with which situation. You can only use each advertisement once, okay? You are not allowed to use one advertisement twice. Only once you can use it. If no ad is matching with any situation, then enter 0. That you can do. If suppose you think that, okay, here no ad is matching with this particular situation, so you can enter 0. Okay. Now in tile 4 is for 15 minutes. Read text 20 to 26. Choose if the person is in favor of a ban. Okay. Now tile 5 is 10 minutes. Read questions 27 to 30 and the accompanying text. MCQ will be there. Now comes third module, that is Schreiben, is writing. Duration for this module is 60 minutes. There will be 3 tiler, dry tiler. Tile 1 is for 20 minutes. You write an email based on 3 points which are given in the exam. Okay, there will be 3 points will be given to you. On that basis, you will have to write email. You have to write approximately 80 words and you have to cover all the 3 points, and you have to cover salutations, that is greetings, content and conclusion. Then tile 2. Tile 2 is for 25 minutes. Here you have to write your opinion about a TV discussion program you watched. Suppose you watch some TV program, there you will have to write your opinion about that particular program. There will be a sample opinion, just you will have to look for that, and then you have to write your own, you can say, opinion, okay, about that particular program. Now tile 3 is for 15 minutes. You have to write an email again. Approximately you have to write 40 words. Again, don't forget to write salutations and conclusion. Now comes the last module, fourth and the last module. This is Pression. Obviously, it is speaking. Duration for this module is 15 minutes. There will be 3 tasks. Task 1 is plan something together. So you will have to plan some activity together. This will be a partner based activity and cover the points which are given to you. Task 2 is you can choose between A or B. Okay, there will be 2 text actually. You will have to choose between those 2, A or B. There will be or. And you have to give one presentation on any topic, A or B. Now task 3. This task is based on second child, you can say. Okay, you will have to answer the questions asked by the examiner, and you can also ask questions to your partner and give feedback, right? So this is all about B1 exam pattern. So I hope this is clear with you. So I'll be coming up with more such exam related videos soon. So stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. That's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.